Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want a professional email like you and your business.com? In this video, I will show you how to set up your business email using Google Workspace. Step by step, even if you are a beginner. Google Workspace is a suite of business tools from Google, including Google Drive, Docs, Meet, and more. But with your custom domain, instead of using a Google like your name at the gmail.com, you will get something like information at the rate yourstore.com, and it looks way more professional. Before you can set up Workspace, you need to own a domain. If you don't have one yet, you can buy it from sites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains Hostinger, or Bluehost. Choose a name that matches your brand, like myshop.com. Once you have got that, you are ready to set up your workspace. Go to workspace.google.com or search for Google Workspace. Then click the first link. Then click Get Started. Add your name, business name, and employee, number of employees, just you. Then select your country name, click Next. Now add your name, first name and last name, and current email address. Then click Next. Choose Use a domain I already own, like set up using your existing domain. Click Continue with this method. Now create your first. Now enter your domain name, like your site.com. Then next. Now enter your username, like music @ yoursite.com. Then enter a strong password and click the box icon, and finally agree and continue. You will now enter your domain dashboard. To activate email, you need to verify that you own the domain. Google will give you a TXT record. Log in your domain provider like GoDaddy and Namecheap. Go to my product section and click domains and click manage all. From the left sidebar, click DNS management. Add a new TXT record with the details Google keeps. Save them, return to Google, and click verify. It may take 5 to 15 minutes to verify. Once verified, it's time to activate Gmail. Google will ask you to update MX records on your domain. Delete all MX records. Add the new Google Workspace MX records. Save and return the admin panel. Click Activate Gmail. That's it. Now your custom email is ready to send and receive. Now you can log into Gmail like normal, but with your business email. Go to gmail.com, click add another account, then enter your business account name like music at the rate yourdomain.com. Then click next, add your workspace password. You will now see the Google inbox branded and ready. You also get access to Google Drive, Google Docs, Meets, Meet, Calendar, everything under your brand at the right side. Click the plus icon and install one from here. You can search here like sheet, export emails to sheets, click install and follow the process. You also get access to you want more emails for your team or departments. In the Google admin console, go to users, add new user, go to user section after log into your account, then create emails like support at the rate your domain.com, sales at the rate your domain.com, admin at the rate your domain.com. You can also create email aliases or forwarders easily from here. Google Workspace starts around $6 per month per users, but now $8 per $8 and 90 $8 and 40 cents. Click try for free. 2 terabyte cloud storage, business email, Gemini AI assistant in Google Docs, Meet, and more. Chat with AI in the Gemini app. Team collaboration tools. Tips. Always keep admin login safe. Use two-factor for security at backup recovery emails. And that's how to set up your Google Workspace email look like a pro. Thanks for watching and get let's get your business looking professional. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.